Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to share you about hyperlink in MS Word. How could we insert hyperlinks into a Word document? Normally the hyperlinks are available in the website web pages. As in the previous lecture I have explained you about a search engine, that how could I search a particular website and different kinds of hyperlink appear on the screen related to the word which I have searched on the internet. And you have seen in the previous video that different results are appearing on the screen. And whenever I move my mouse pointer over those links or pictures, so a hand is appearing on the screen. That means that text or that image are interlinked to another website and other file. So that is called hyperlink. The indication of the hand is showing that that is hyperlink. So how could we insert hyperlink into the Word documents? It's very simple. For example, I'm going to write a text document. Whatever you write, whatever you insert into the hyperlink, it's up to you. You can write any kind of a text, any heading, you can insert any image, and you can make that image or document into a hyperlink. So it's very easy. You have to select your text like this, and you have to move your mouse pointer towards the insert tab. Already we are insert tab, or I have clicked again into the insert tab, and different options of the insert tab is appearing on your screen. You can see equation symbols and whatever different we have experienced in the previous classes or previous lectures of the Microsoft Word 2013. Now you can see there is a link option is appearing in the middle of the screen. So when I will click on the link, then you will see that there is an option of hyperlink. And whenever I just move the mouse pointer over the hyperlink, then you will see there is a text is appear. Create a hyperlink in your document for quick access to web pages and files. Not only web pages as well as files. You can access to the files as well, or web pages as well. For example, I want to create another hyperlink. That will be www.google.com. So that will be another hyperlink, for example. So I want to make this hyperlink document. Then again I will move, to the hyperlink, and I make this hyperlink with a document. So I will click on the browse button, then I will select a particular document that will interlink with that hyperlink. For example, I want to choose this Word document. I select this document, and the path of that document is the Microsoft and document. Then I will click on the OK. After selecting the hyperlink option with the document, then I will click OK. So you can see that is become a hyperlink. You can see there is an underline is appear, and the text color is changed now. So hand is not appearing on the screen. That is the problem. But in MS Word, there is an underline option is appear after the hyperlink created, and the text color become the light sky blue. It will change the light sky blue, and whenever you move your mouse pointer, it will change. It will not change to the hand like hand in the websites, but it will become a vertical eye, you can see, and the text is appear on the screen. You can see that is hyperlink. That is showing that this one is a hyperlink. When I move my mouse pointer towards the blank space, then it will disappear. When I will move again, you can see the text is appear. That means this is a hyperlink, and this one is not a hyperlink. For example, I want to make this hyperlink with a website. So I will select again, and then I will move to the links option, insert menu, and then I will write the text display to display www For example, browse web page. For example, page in this document, existing website. This one is an existing website. So I will select just OK. So you can see this is already recognized with the website because it's very prominent website and very popular website. That's why MS Word automatically detected that this one is a website address because I have wrote 3 times W. You can see underline is appear and the text color is changed. This one is also hyperlink. There are two hyperlinks. So how could we use these hyperlink into MS Word? So when I will move my mouse pointer, so you can see this is hyperlink, but how could I use? When you will press a control key, then you will see the hand is appear. And after appearing the hand, then you have to click. Then the window is appear that the Microsoft will show that this file is interlinked to another file, another location. So this is not harmful. It is security window is appearing on the screen, so it is not harmful. Do you want to continue? Yes. So you will see that another document is appear on the screen. You can see. Again, I will move towards the hyperlink option. Then you have see click, then the hyperlink color is changed now because you have click on that hyperlink. You have used that hyperlink, so color is changed now. Now I will move on the next hyperlink that is related to the website address, the internet. So again I will press the control key from the keyboard. So you will see the mouse pointer is changed now. It will change to the hand. So when it will become to